everyone, welcome back to Sweet Abby channel. Our plans for today is all about tutorial on how to avoid copyright claim or how to resolve it. So guys, dito sa aking vlog na to, makikita nyo kung paano ko step by step ginawa para maiwasan yung ating copyright claim at ano ba yung mga options na kailangan natin gawin dito at ano yung mga ginagawa natin para ma-resolve ito. So halika, samahan nyo ko and I hope ito ay makakatulong sa inyong lahat at lalo na yung mga naiinita sa copyright claim dito hindi natin mawasan. Ito ay para sa mga monetized at hindi monetized. Let's do to start it and enjoy. First, we need to sign in muna sa ating YouTube account. Then para makapunta tayo sa ating YouTube studio. Although I am already here to show it. And in this part, meron tayo sa ating YouTube studio regarding sa ating importance notification na dito rin makikita kung tayo ay mayroong mga copyright. Let's click the view options. At pagka-click ng view options, magpapop up sa screen ng iba't ibang songs or music na meron tayong mga copyright. I-close na muna natin ito and let's go to our content or videos. Let's do to click it and it will go to our all videos or uploads na may posible na copyright sa restriction or not eligible for ads. And as you can see now guys, ayon sa akin isa sa mga uploads or videos ko ay restriction na copyright claim at ineligible for ads. Ito yung means na nagtatanong tayo bakit siya na copyright, but anyway, there is still options how to resolve it and I hope this will be helpful to you. Click the copyright claim para ma-pop up ang see details at i-click ito at dito lalabas ang music or songs na posibleng nagdahilan ng copyright claim. At dito lumalabas nag-pop up na ang mga details ng iyong copyright claim. Makikita dito kung affected ba ang channel mo, on public ba at ineligible ba or restriction ba. At dito rin makikita ang sinasabing select options kung ano ang paraan ang gusto mong i-resolve. At dito rin makikita kung gaano ba kahaba or length of music minutes ng iyong copyright as you can see it below the minutes. At dito na makikita ang select options. Once you've been click it, may lalabas na iyong pagpipilian to resolve your copyright. Whether you want to trim out segment music or sounds of copyright ay mapuputo lang iyong video ng ilang minutes. Depende sa haba ng copyright mo. Or just replace songs with free songs from audio library of our YouTube studio. Ang pipili ka lang, then i-add mo lang para may replace ang copyright music mo. Kung mute song ng copyright no, cut of video but sa no sounds hanggang sa dulo ng may copyright ka. And if you know sa sarili mo na may right ka para sa iyong copyright, click ang dispute for explanation and your right sa music. To use sa nag-copyright sa iyo. At ayon sa akin dito sa aking copyright, I choose a replace song of my copyright. And please watch it how I did it to replace my copyright music. Here step by step. Dito makikita sa free audio library na any songs you can use it free. And of course, check it also kung need mong ilagay sa description mo sa video mo ang music by clicking details of music depende sa gagamitin ng music from audio library if it's only needed. Dito sa audio library, you can choose free music to replace the copyright of your video and you can hear it by playing muna before you decide which the free music is the best para sa video mo. But remember, check it first about the license if it's needed to put in your descriptions or not. Once you're done about the license of the audio library music, then click add the music which is the best for your videos and for replacing the copyright music. And wait lang for a couple of seconds while loading. Then click save. And the confirming information will be pop up and just click save if you are okay and finalize the music to replace from your copyright. Once you save it, ibabalik ka uli from the page kung saan kami copyright to. Nagawa mo naman din ang lahat, just click the X at makikita mo sa videos at andyan pa rin ang copyright claim mo at ineligible pa din but may makikita kang on processing na ang ibig sabihin yan na ang video mo na may copyright ay okay na yan, just wait ka lang for a couple of minutes, i-check mo na lang uli mamaya.
A few moments later.
After waiting for a couple of minutes guys, let's go back to our YouTube studio and click the content to check it out sa isang video na may copyright if it's already processed. Kung okay na ba at natanggal na ba ang copyright claim at eligible na ba siya uli sa monetization or non-restriction na ba. And now as you can see, everything is going back to normal. In a process na, wala na ang copyright claim at ayos na din sa non-restriction. This is it guys and I hope this very basic tutorial about resolving copyright claim will be helpful to you. So ayan guys, I hope makatulong ito sa inyo, lalo na sa may mga copyright claim ng mga inyong mga videos or live streaming. This is the way on how to resolve it and on how to avoid it para maging eligible siya sa mga monetization at para maging non-restriction na siya. Ayan, thank you so much for your watching my vlog about. God bless to all and see you again guys. Bye-bye.